What's up guys, GameTech here and welcome back to yet another video on my channel. For today I decided to upload this short video about new MIUI 12 live wallpapers everyone is crazy about, including myself. First thing to know about MIUI 12 is that this is beta version for now, which is pre-released for developers and testers only. At the moment I'm running Chinese version of this MIUI 12, so some things are not translated fully to English, but in upcoming videos I will flash global version when I get it, so stay tuned for more and hit that subscribe button. So at the moment there's just two options for these live wallpapers, and these are Mars and Earth theme. But there's only one reason why these are so perfect: seamless connection between animations from lock screen through home screen. So when you go to Wallpapers section, select Super Wallpapers and then these will show up. Also, you can pick between 3 different locations for each of 2 planets. I was highly interested about these Chinese quotes for each of these locations and I need to share that with you guys. This is what I found out, and I quote, "Subscribe to this channel and leave a like. Now." Thank you so much. Now, let's talk about a few things that I noticed. First, this seamless design is just out of this world. Secondly, if you look closer, you will notice different coordinates in top corner for each wallpaper. But what is actually mind-blowing about that is that each time you unlock it, it zooms to different points. So, for instance, if you select this iceberg, Earth will zoom to North Pole. Isn't that cool? That will be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, so please leave a like and let me know what you think in the comments. Once more, thank you guys and see ya in the next one. Peace.